Okay, we got 2008 Subaru Tribeca, and we got a little situation here. Harmonic balancer broke the glue inside and it went out of balance. So we don't have a special tool. What we did, took its own belt, loop around a few times, and this is where we at. It's like an O-ring seal here. We got 7/8, or let's see, it's maybe 22. Yeah, 7/8. It's working good. We got that, and now we have a cheap pipe. As you can see, it spins in between right there. So we figured out we work from small to big, and into this drill bit right here. So we got a steeper angle, and we're gonna put a bolt now in between, because this one is spinning, this one is not. It's locked really good. Alrighty, praise the Lord, we got it. And the way how we did it, right there, boom. Right there. Oh. Alright, so we are putting bolt a little bit back in, and we're gonna wiggle, just in case if it's come out really fast, so it's not gonna smack our radiator. And just like so, boom. And there it goes. So we got, this is the bad one, broken rubber glue inside. This is the one that we're gonna replace with. It's a used one, so first we want to measure, of course, the diameter. It's good. Then from this side it is good. And now let's see if it's wore out. Nope. Alright, so we looped around a couple times the belt, and now we are tightening it. The new belt, let's see, this is the old one, and this is the new belt. 2008 Subaru Tribeca. This is the diagram for serpentine belt. When you want to remove it, this is 14 millimeters right here. This is how you relieve. Tensioner, and when you're gonna put it on, put it everything, but slide this idler pulley last. It is gonna be easier for you if you put it everything, but let somebody assist you, help you, and slide belt on the idler. This is tensioner, this is idler. Alrighty. Okay, we got the serpentine belt on. Now we're gonna put the cap on. Cap is on. We got the fan on. Easy way to do it. Put the fan if you secure your hoses. One is here, another is here. So there is a 4 screws, 1, 2, and 2 at the bottom, 10 mil. Alright, so we connected hoses and the reservoir tank. Now radiator support goes gently in. This goes over. Again, electrical wire. Secure it. Radiator support goes under these plastic brackets. And we are at the bottom of the car. This is where you wanna tighten it. Radiator support. Alright, bolts at the bottom are tightened. Now we want to tighten everything right here, and then put this bolt last. Alright,